If you want to set up Face ID on your phone for iOS 26, this is how you do it. Go to Settings, make sure you're on the main settings page, scroll down to where it says Face ID and Passcode, tap on that to open it, enter your passcode, then scroll down to where it says Set up Face ID. Tap on that. Now it walks us through what to do. First, position your face in the camera frame, then move your head in a circle to show all the angles of your face. Okay, let's do that. Let's tap Get Started. Move my face into the camera frame, move my head all around. First Face ID scan complete. Awesome. Reposition your face within the frame. Move your head slowly to complete the circle, and I didn't go very slow, but it still worked. And Face ID is now set up. That's all it takes. And then automatically, you have all these things turned on. If you rewind the video, you'll see that all these are turned off because they require Face ID. So now these are all turned on. So you can turn these off again if you want to, or leave them on. Just depends on what settings you want you have your Face ID used for. But now if I unlock my phone, I can swipe up and then use my Face ID to unlock it. If you got value from this video, like and subscribe to let me know. Then check out this checklist right here. It's to help you scam proof your phone, because the last thing you want is to get scammed. And these days it can be pretty easy. With these settings, will help prevent that. So check out this checklist. It's free. You can just scan this QR code if you're on a TV or whatever other device, or you can click on the link in the description to get to the page to download this. And next up, check out this video right here, which shows you how to empty the trash can on your phone. Super important that you do that so you have as much free space as possible. So check that out next, and I'll see you there.